好久哦。好可怕哦。
Alert! New earthquake in Japan. Magnitude 6.7. Tsunami warning for northern Japan after magnitude 6.7 earthquake on Friday. The quake occurred off the east coast of Aomori Prefecture in the north of Honshu, the main Japanese island, at a depth of 20 kilometers at 11:44 a.m. Tokyo time, the agency said. Officials were urging people living near the coast to evacuate inland, Japanese broadcaster NHK reported. Sendai City in the northeastern prefecture of Miyagi issued an evacuation order. Friday's quake followed a 7.5 magnitude earthquake earlier this week in the north that caused injuries, light damage, and a tsunami in Pacific coastal communities. After Monday's earthquake, the government issued a special advisory warning residents across a wide area from Hokkaido in the north to Chiba, east of Tokyo, to be on alert for an increased possibility of a powerful earthquake hitting again within a week.